Hey everyone, welcome back to Cafe Chronicles. Today we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing video. This is the new exhaust, the Delkevic exhaust cafe, straight cafe exhaust. It's 4-into-1, so basically takes the 4 headers, brings it into a little collector and then down into a straight one exhaust. So kind of excited to see it. So let's take a look. Balls. I ripped some of the destructions. That's cool. I've already did that. I'll keep this piece of tape so that I can also read this. Good enough for the girls we go out with. Oh, cool little Delkevik sticker. I'll throw that in my toolbox. Isn't that cool? Cool. So they put in some Pro Seal here with it as well. Black RTD silicone instant gasket. Resists high temperatures up to 500 degrees F. Okay, cool. Silencer mounting bracket. Stand stop and rubber. Okay, kind of cool. Check this. Oh, nice. I thought this was going to be huge. And that is just a really nice size. I really like that. That's awesome. It's substantial too. Really nice quality. That's going to look great. I thought that was a lot bigger in the picture, but that's actually going to look fantastic. Cool. I'm really happy with that. Little bracket. Holding it on. Nice. That looks really smart. That's going to look absolutely awesome. It's going to be very cool. Wow. Nice. Good quality stuff. So here we've got CB750 K7, CB750, F1, F2, single overhead cam, 75 to 79. And we've got here 4-into-1 downpipes, stainless steel. I won't open up all the headers, but I'll just open one so that you can see. Wow, that looks awesome. That looks really, really cool. Really, really nice quality finish on all this. Very nice welds. All in stainless. That's excellent. And here you have the hardware. So that's really great. Spacers and some nice hardware there. X-nut hardware. So that's kind of neat because the old hardware is really bad onto the muffler. So, and to give you a little tool for connecting it there too. It's hokey enough, but just enough probably to get you going the way you need to. And obviously these little copper, it is copper I think it is, little press fit washers, or press fit gaskets I guess, that actually go on between the muffler and, or sorry, between the headers and the engine, and they press in. So I had a bit of fun putting that all together, and that there, I guess that probably goes onto the engine mount and stops them vibrating there. But I'll check some of the drawings and that, and we'll figure out what way that goes. But first inspection, everything's looking really good. So you might be wondering why I got the exhaust first, but I got the exhaust first because I'm going to be choosing the jets for the carbs based on the exhaust and based on the pod filters. So I'm going to order the pod filters, and I'm going to order the jets then in the rebuild kit for the carburetors, and then once I rebuild those carbs, we are good to go. You might be wondering why I got the exhaust first, but I'm gonna get the exhaust and the pod filters sorted, which ones I want, and then from there I can figure out the rejetting or what jetting I need. So because I have to change some jets, definitely have to, I think, go up some, I think 15 sizes on the main jet. I want to do more research on that though and make sure about that, because I really don't have a clue, to be honest. So I'm really going on lots of contradicting information online, so I'm going to try and find something definitive about that. But once I get that ordered, I'll order the rebuild kit. Then I'll have the pod filters, I'll have the exhaust, I'll have the jets, the new jets, and the rebuild kit for the carbs. So